In this encounter, San Diego police pull over a driver in Mission Bay. The audio is terrible, but I think it's worth watching.
Hi, you have your license, registration, insurance?
Yes, sir.
You know why I stopped you?
No.
No idea, huh? What was up with the peeling out at the intersection?
Checking out the car.
Checking out the car?
Yeah, I had a flat tire and shit. Just tried to tell you that.
Oh, you have a flat tire? Any of those tires flat over there? How old are you, Sam?
What?
How old are you?
21.
Okay. You got this different way. Hello, how's everybody in the back? You guys have any alcohol in the car? Open container in the front right passenger, just a heads up.
You can check when you check the plate. You can check if I
You have your insurance?
It's on my phone, but I can't find my phone.
Okay, you can pull up in front. How about the registration card? Do we have one more unit? Coming? Okay. Do you have the keys for the car?
Yeah. It's a push start.
Yeah, I'll take the key.
The key?
Yeah,
Why is that?
You're detained right now because I don't want you to drive off while I'm here.
I'm not going to drive
All right,
off.
go ahead and step on out of the car.
Okay, can I
Step
get
out.
your supervisor?
I am the supervisor. Get out of the car.
Oh, can I get your supervisor?
I am the
You're not
supervisor. Step out of the car.
Can you get
I'm
your
ordering you to step out of the car.
supervisor?
I will call a lieutenant here, but you need to step out of the car now. Step out of the car, sir. You're not helping him? He needs to step out of the car and talk to me out of the car.
Can we just leave this like fine?
You're not listening, sir. This is not a wise move. I just want you to step out of the car and talk to me so I'm not out of traffic. Step out of the car, sir. Don't make this more difficult. I have this on recording myself, sir.
Okay, I'm recording as well for my
I
own
want you
right.
to step
For my
out of
own
the
right.
car. You can record all you want. I just want you to step out of the car.
Nigga, I don't know why you're over here doing all
You're
this.
being lawfully detained and you will be arrested if you resist the
Detained
detention.
for what? Detained for what, sir?
You peeled out and you have open containers of alcohol in the vehicle, sir. I can smell alcohol about the vehicle. I can see the open container in the car. Please step out of the car. I'm giving you a lawful order. You are on 2 video cameras now, disobeying the lawful order. I'm calling additional units here. You are detaining your friends longer than they need to be detained. I would like to end this contact soon, but you need to step out of the car. Are you willing to step out of the car, or are you refusing to step out of the car? Thank you. That's all I'm asking. Thank you. All right.
Don't touch me.
I'm not going to touch you if I don't have to. Leave that there.
All right, well, don't touch me.
Leave the camera in the car.
The camera? Why the camera?
Just leave it there. You can
Nah,
leave
it's for
the recording.
my
You
own
don't care about
safety.
that.
It's for my
You're
own
not going to
safety.
carry that.
It's for my own safety.
All right. I'm detaining you in handcuffs. Look. You're under arrest. Do not fight us. Get in the car now, or you will be arrested too.
Oh, what is all this for, man?
I got it. I'm at a traffic stop with Bainbridge, Deanne, and Sam. We're just north of the Fiesta Island entrance. Someone over here.
Okay,
You're under arrest.
hey, you're fucking hurting me, man.
Stop resisting and just cooperate and relax. You didn't have to, this didn't have to go this way, man. I just want to make sure these aren't too tight on you.
Look at the watch.
I'm going to put the watch in your pocket. Do you have anything illegal on you?
No.
You're under arrest, okay? How much have you been drinking today? How many more open containers are in the car? No weapons or guns in there?
No, nothing, none of that.
I'm going to readjust this cuff, okay? So it's not too tight. Are you going to be cool?
What?
Are you going to be cool?
Yeah.
We're in the UTV We're just north of the entrance to Fiesta Island. I don't need a new code, but we have a car of 4 people and they're all uncooperative. Hey guys, I'm good here if you guys just watch them. This is what's going to happen from here on out, okay? You are under arrest. I am going to give you a DUI evaluation here in a few minutes, okay? I'm going to have you sit in the squad car for now while we get your friends out. Can you do me a favor? He is under arrest for 148. Can you search him?
Yeah.
Here's his ID. Can you give me a full F5, see if he's got any warrants or anything like that? And I got to pull the rest out of the car. They can all come out of the car. One at a time. You first, stay in the car. You'll be next. Come back with this officer. Just watch her. She's just detained right now if you get a full FI on her. This gentleman can come out. Can you take care of him? Yes, sir. Thank you. And then she can come out too. Come, Mark.
According to the police report, the driver was transported to the hospital where they discovered he had fractured his left arm.